our Calendula and Geranium facial oil, available in our glass 48 ml bottle and also in our glass 4 ml bottle. This size is perfect for taking with you on the plane, for traveling with, for having in your handbag, or as a little trial size. Now, what is our facial oil made up of? Well, it is predominantly fruit oil. It's quite a dry oil and absorbs really quickly. You've got rosehip, pomegranate, passionfruit and grapeseed oils in there, which are full of antioxidants, polyphenols and nutrients. We've also got jojoba oil, or jojoba wax as it's technically known as, which is very good for balancing the skin's sebum. There's also hemp seed oil, which is really helpful against cellular damage. There's lots of calendula extract in there, so think really helpful against spots, blemishes, marks, things like that. Really good at trying to bring down that inflammation. And then we've got a beautiful blend of essential oils. So there's lavender, which is very calming, but it's also very healing and antiseptic. Geranium, which again helps to balance the skin sebum, and it's also antiseptic and very good for circulation. And we've got patchouli, which is very regenerative and also very good at scar healing. And finally, there's grapefruit essential oil, which get all those antioxidants and nutrients from all of the other oils and the properties from the essential oils to penetrate even further into the skin. So how do you use it? Well, I recommend using it on damp skin. If you're prone to dry skin, start with 4 to 5 drops. If you have more oily skin, start with 2 to 3. And I'll just show you now. I'm going to use 2 drops. Just pop it in the palm of your hand. Rub together and then apply onto your face and your neck. And you can use this morning and night. As I said, it's quite a dry oil, so it does sink in really, really quickly. And there you have it, our Calendula and Geranium facial oil.
Flor y Amor.